All right, hey, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic. Welcome back to DBC Diaries. I'm here with returning patient Judith. Judith, thanks for coming back. It's been almost exactly a year since you were here last time. We did your right hip last time, and today we did your left hip. So how are you doing? How's the right hip feeling?
Well, the right hip's wonderful. I mean, I can't shout loud enough the praises. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Great. So, I mean, you were getting a lot of pain there. We do treatment. How long did it take after treatment before you really were feeling a difference?
I would say 3 months.
Yeah.
A good 3 months. Every day I could notice a slight improvement, but 3 months and I thought, wow, this is great. I'm back.
Oh, that's so awesome. Well, great. I'm glad we fixed that. And a lot of patients do this. They start with one joint that hurts, get results, and then you can come back and do other joints. You know the cells work. So we did your left hip today. Hopefully in another 3 months, we'll have you just feeling perfect on both.
Yes.
And I mean, you came down originally because your family and you all moved here from Australia, right?
But I had the chest originally. I came to you
Oh, yeah.
for emphysema.
Exactly. So you came for that first. And how's your chest doing?
Fabulous. I can breathe. I can talk. I can have a conversation. I couldn't do that when I came here.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
So cleared up the lungs. You're breathing good.
My confidence is super high about this clinic, the treatment and the results that I've had. I think that they surpass anything I could expect from anywhere.
Wow.
Far superior.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I mean, you and your family story's just so awesome and incredible. I mean, you escaped Australia, They
did.
They were locking down on you, and
yes.
you guys got out.
Now. Yes.
Yeah, so you've done treatment, other family members have, and I love that when we can help more people. It's very.
And I've told numerous people
Oh, well, thank you.
about you. And now you've got your website up on YouTube.
Yeah.
I've had a couple of friends that have already found it and come back and asked me questions about this, that and the other that they were interested in that you did, and asked me to find out more for them, and so they can contact you. So, hopefully the ball will just keep running around and gathering a bit more.
Well, and that's why we keep growing. One person does treatment, they're kind of the guinea pig.
There's no better reference than word of mouth.
Exactly. I mean, when you know someone that's had results, it makes it much easier to trust and come. We actually get a lot of Australians now.
Do you?
Yeah, I'd say every week we've got a couple. It's it's a long flight, but we also get a lot of patients from the UK, and I think either way you do it, it's about 12 hours to your first stop.
Oh, they get short flights now. We did the long flight.
Yeah,
we
it
had
used to
go
be
around
longer.
the planet to get here.
Yeah, now there's a direct flight to LA. I think it's like 12 hours, and then it's like 2.5 hours here. So it's a lot of flying, but it makes it more accessible.
But the thing is, if even they're coming from that distance, it shows that they've got the confidence to put the time and effort and money into getting here.
For sure. And we don't take that lightly. We want to make sure.
Clinic reigns.
Well, Judith, thanks so much. Thanks for being back. Thanks for sharing. This always helps other people. So if you've got emphysema, if you've got hip issues, or anything else, you can get a hold of us. Just go to the website at www.dreambody.clinic. You can call us toll-free anytime at 833-445-9089. I'm Josh. Happy to help.